my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing 2 more Society 6 products. So I will link in the description as well, up in the cards, some of the previous Society 6 hauls / reviews that I've done. Today we're going to be reviewing their mugs and their notebooks. So spoiler alert, one of the mugs arrived shattered and they have sent me a replacement like the next day. They sent it out. However, I guess due to a lot of USPS delays or FedEx, I'm not actually sure what carrier it's coming from, but that hasn't arrived yet. So the footage you're gonna see, like the close-ups and stuff, were filmed more than a week ago, and I'm now filming this on August 8th, and that replacement mug is still not here. Just thought I would put that out there, but let's get started with actually looking up close at these products and how they arrived. So here's the first Society 6 notebook. This features 2 cheetahs. Beautiful bird. And then it has like a green background, so it's not printed on both sides. And then inside you just have rolled paper. I think there's an option for a different paper in terms of like lined or not lined. But yeah, it's a very basic standard notebook. Luckily the quality is not bad because it's bound. It's not like spiral. I know Redbubble doesn't have the best reviews. The only thing I would say that I didn't like is that some of them have slight, let me see if I can focus the camera on it. Some of them have slight imperfections on the corners, and I think that's just due to the way it was shipped. So if you are like an absolute perfectionist about it, like if you go to the bookstore and you're looking for the book that you want to buy, but the corners are bent or there's a little bit of scraping, then this is something that you should consider before ordering. I just think they don't package their things particularly well, at least with the notebooks and the mugs, because like I said earlier, one of my mugs broke. Actually, I'm not even sure if I mentioned that, but one of the mugs did arrive broken because there was just no cushion in it. It was literally a cardboard box with a cardboard insert for the mug to sit in, and it shattered completely, the handle. So I'm not impressed with that. I feel like these little things could be easily avoided. That's a bit of a bummer. I feel like this could have easily been avoided. This is the second one, so it features a pretty tiger in some cute plants, and then again you have the issue right there. It's a very minor thing, but because these are gifts, you know, I want them to be as beautiful as possible. Also, these don't lay flat, so if you're someone who does like bullet journaling, not that this would be the type of bullet journal that you would use, it doesn't really lie flat because of the binding, but it is still a really nice quality notebook. Like if you take notes in class but you're not using a traditional size one, this is a little bit smaller than like a marbled notebook, and it's the only size so far at the time that I'm making this purchase. See, you can see another corner that's messed up. I'm still gonna give these as gifts because I think they still are absolutely beautiful. I will put the pricing up here. But I'm happy with this is the last one. Again, very beautiful colors, very vibrant, so you can get these types of notebooks with any artwork you want. Like Society 6 has a wide variety of different artwork, and just pretty much anything you can think of, they have it. So I needed some big cats because my friend likes big cats, and I am keeping one of these for myself. I just don't know which one. Because of the bird, I kind of want to keep this one for myself, but these are also really pretty. So yeah, the quality is fine. It's just some imperfections in the covers. It's because of the way they package their products. Now we're going to talk about the mugs. I don't have them currently in front of me, so I'm going to insert a picture of how they arrived, with one of them being shattered. The other one was in perfect condition, no chipping or anything. There was no chipping or anything. I just feel like why take that risk with the way you package it? It must be a cheaper way for them to be packaging it like this, but I just feel like a little layer of bubble wrap or something to keep it from shaking and bouncing. There's not even like a fragile sticker on the outside, which I know not all postmans will listen to that anyway, but I feel like just adding it to the box, you know, could help a little bit. I did notify Society 6 immediately after my package arrived broken. I heard the broken bits rattling in the box before I even opened it. Or delivered that package to our apartment knew that it was broken. But anyway, I took a picture of the damage and I sent it directly to Society 6 email, and they got back to me within an hour or two, and they prepared a new mug, shipped it out. It arrives August 4th. It arrives August 4th. It arrives August 4th, but it's currently August 1st as of right now. So I won't be able to use that mug for my friend's gift, But the quality of the mugs is quite nice, very beautiful, very vibrant printing. I do really enjoy that part. So that being said, that's my review for these Society 6 items. I will link my previous review on some other Society 6 items that I've tried out, like the tote bags, the blanket. I've tried some other stuff here and there. It's a fun website. You just find some amazing artwork. It just sucks that the packaging for these two particular items wasn't the best. But like I said before, these little corners might not happen with everyone's package, and it's also not really a big deal for most people. I definitely understand. So yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time with another one. Bye.